Greetings, folks. It's Sarah with Obadiah's, and I just wanted to give you guys kind of like my final thoughts on the Drolet Heat Commander wood furnace. So, number one, you can see here it's burning beautifully. I love having a glass door on a forced air furnace. Number two, this model qualifies for the federal tax credit. So that's a pretty large incentive to be able to purchase the unit right now because you can write off 26% of the cost of the unit, the chimney pipe, and installation costs. So that's huge. Price point, number three. For price point, honestly, it's really, really hard to beat this product. It is very solid, well built, very heavy. Our machine, like the Polaris Bobcat thing, barely could lift it up. So I would say that, yeah, it's pretty solid. This unit's about 600 pounds, so it's a little bit over our current lifting capacity here. But we managed. So when it arrived, I was honestly like super impressed with the quality of the product for the price point that it's in. Number four, it's not made in the US, but it is made in North America. It comes from our lovely up north neighbors in Canada. So the French Canadians, they do an excellent job. They have good attention to detail, and they really do produce a quality product, which shows through and through. Number five, the unit does have a decent warranty. It's going to be a limited lifetime warranty, so read fully in your owner's manual what that entails. Basically, your firebox is usually about 20 years. Other items such as blowers, glass, etc. might be a lesser warranty of like a year or so. So overall, I am super impressed with this model. It's an excellent price point. I would highly recommend the Drolet Heat Commander. I really hope that you guys find these videos helpful. I really do try and show you everything overall up front so that you know what you're getting. I do understand that these are large purchases, especially when they're made online. So we are always here to answer all of your guys' questions. If you like these videos, if you enjoy them, please don't forget, give me a quick little thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.